So, hi guys. I think we'll start a quick project today. It is late in the day, but I want to go ahead and get started on this. So, let me show you what we're starting with. So, the first day that I was in the thrift store and I saw these right as I walked in the door, they were unmarked, and typically something like this does not last long at our little small local thrift store. So because they were unmarked, I went and asked the gentleman how much they were. And he said $5 each or 2 for $10. So I said, well, okay. I walked through the store and picked up a few small items, went to the counter and paid, walked out and left, and completely forgot to go back and get those before I left. So the next day, or maybe even the day after, I went back to the thrift store knowing they would not be there, and they were. So I immediately grabbed them up, walked to the counter, and again, they were unmarked, and the lady said, how about $3 each? So I said, I'll take them. So I'm excited. I'm going to see if I can make these a little festive for Christmas. So stay tuned with me and we'll see what we can create. And one thing that's rather cool about these, I think, is that you could actually make them reversible. You could create one look on the front side and a completely different look on the opposite side. So I'm gonna get these spread out here on the table with my supplies, and we'll see what we can do. So again, here they are, and I think all I'm going to need, well, actually I need some black paint, and I went to Walmart and I absolutely could not find any. I don't know what the deal is with the black paint, but I think I have enough to get started here with the project. And here's my little diagram of what I'm going to do. I want to make 2 life-size nutcrackers for Christmas. So I've sketched off this little somewhat looking nutcracker, and I've kind of color-coded it so I would have something to go by. So I'm gonna get you set up so that you can see what I'm doing, and we'll get started.